Time for a walk on the seabed. Seabed with Notorious Explorers. Oh, the water is quite good. Not very cold, not very warm.
So if the water there is good and deep, can we go swimming?
I doubt that the water will be deep.
But if it is?
I think it is as similar to shipwreck. So you will not find deep water for long. For a long distance, sorry. So let's wait till tomorrow morning or in the evening.
It is deep.
If it is deep till there, we can definitely explore. That's why we are going there to
I see
explore.
something of a different color nearby.
Oh, crab. Is it a dead crab? Wait, let's see.
Crab or clam?
I'm not sure if it is dead or alive.
But I'm not gonna hit it to check.
No, let it be. It's in peace. Let it be.
Let it
Let's go. No, water is not crab infested. This is their natural habitat. This is their home.
What?
This one was a big one. This is the remains of it. See, that's huge,
I
huh?
saw 3 alive ones.
Look, my God, look at this. Sun Explorer just now spotted live
3.
3 of them. Let's see. Water is coming back. See? Ah, good. Ah, thanks God. You see how the water is coming back?
Yeah.
You see that? See?
Seen it once.
Wow. Let him move back. Let me see. See this? Wow. Wow.
Come, I want to see the crabs, Papa.
So see it. What will I do?
Come. She's scared. Come.
I can't protect you from a crab.
I know. Let's go see live ones for God's sake.
Again, what did you say?
And look where you're stepping for God's sake. Oh my God.
See the way it is coming?
Look at this.
Look at the way the water is coming in.
Look over here.
Yeah. This is all seaweed, huh? Wow.
I saw
Prapti, don't hold my hand.
Look where you're stepping. Show us where the crabs are, bhai. Are they ahead? Yeah, I saw.
Probably they'll be submerged inside, huh? It's hot, huh?
Prapti's staying there. I saw some.
There it goes. Hey, wo gaya. See, they move. Hey,
Papa stepped on one.
No, I did not step on one. Hello, Mr. Crab. How are you?
Would you give us an interview?
No, I'm not interested. Neither I am interested in disturbing it. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Do you see it, how it's going?
Oi. Yeah, it jets. Oi.
So just be careful, huh?
It jetted. What? It's playing dead now.
No, it's not playing dead. That one was dead, definitely. This is out. So I'm just trying. Oh, sorry. I'm not disturbing you.
Yet.
Hopefully. Good.
I'd seen it moving fast.
That one was big. And they go sideways, huh? See?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, the big ones, humongous fat
See?
ones. The fat kinds, they can move forward without.
Be careful, Papa. There are hollows in the water.
Okay.
Let's go follow Mr. Krabby.
No, I don't
Let's
want
go
to
find
disturb.
some more.
More?
Are crabs only in shallow water?
You just took the word out of my mouth, the entire statement. I was about to ask the same thing to you. Are crabs only in shallow water? No, they can be found in deep
Hey,
also.
what's that big thing? No. Do you see that? Look at that color.
It's a seaweed. It's a seaweed. Okay, waiting up for you, daughter.
Now let's look.
Mama, come. It's okay. It'll dry up. Come on. Mama, come.
I think she's burying one. Yeah, it went in.
It went in, huh?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, yeah. Where did it go?
Now.
Where did it go? It went here somewhere.
It's in here.
Somewhere, right?
Papa, stay here. I saw 2. You must stay still so that it'll come out. Stay still.
Yeah, that's impossible.
Stop vibrating. Be careful, don't step.
I think that's the one.
Hey, there's one. You see it?
Where do you spot them, man? I don't.
Oh, I saw one. Don't do that. A crab can get into your shoes. Don't raise it. Unless you have shoes like crafty tight shoes. Not
Okay, there it is. There it is. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, okay.
It's small.
One went in, one ran away. It's a.
I think I stepped on one.
No, it's not.
A bit.
They will feel it. They will feel it. We are following you, Mr. Crab. I hope we are. Just give me some. Okay, there it went in. Oh, it went deep in.
Hope you're not.
Not sure the camera caught it or not, but
Hope you're not causing any inconvenience.
those are bones. Chalo, let's go back. Let's
No,
go
a
back.
little more, please.
Little more? Okay.
There's nothing to do here. It's so funny looking. Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, there one went in.
Ah, yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah, this here. Here it is. One went in here.
Oh, yeah, I know.
This one.
Hey, look! There's one. You see it?
There it goes. Yeah, there it goes.
I
There it
think-
is gone. Yeah.
I think that now we're heading to rocky area.
No, it is seaweed area. Oh, it's going faster. Not sure if the camera is able to catch it, but yeah.
Going faster.
It's going to submerge itself.
Look at
Ooh, look at that speed, man.
even Usain Bolt can't.
Wait, did you? Okay.
It's getting
What is that?
deeper. Like slightly.
Wait a minute. Let's see. Is this a nest? Is this a nest? Not sure.
What? Show.
Oh,
Oi, careful.
I think it just.
I saw a live one. Live one, Papa.
It's okay.
that's your goddamn slipper.
It just
Live one.
It's right. Hold me.
How do I hold you? Careful. There's a live crab right next to Papa. But is it okay if you find that?
I don't like crabs. I don't like animals.
Just don't hold me because I don't want the mobile to fall. Otherwise, all my data and all my footage will be off. Getting my point?
No.
Thank you.
It's shallower over here.
Yeah. Just like that. Now see, this island will be
Covered.
this small island, not Prapti, not this tentacles. This one will be covered in a while.
Yeah. I hope it does. Hope it doesn't go.
It should, so that you have water to play with.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, I would like that area as an area where I can sit
Mommy Explorer,
with my.
tense,
I don't want to see crabs. There,
holy crab.
there, you're in luck. Seaweed looks like a crab. I see it. It looks
Keep
like
walking, we'll spot one. Kapish is good at spotting them.
So am I spotted two.
I spotted
Crabs
some.
is also good, okay?
Yeah, everybody is
six.
is good. It's just,
Except you and you.
Go देखो हो रहा है crab.
अरे पत्थर है. It's a rock.
Oh look, that's it.
In the year 1999.
In the
कहाँ पे ये कुछ
ओके बोरा देखो ये रहा.
हाँ.
देखा? देखो दो हैं. एक ये रहा इधर.
Jack.
Hello, three. Oh, you look at the big one.
Oh yes.
Look at the big one.
Oh wow.
Look at the big one.
Choose what you want.
Bhai, I'm not coming to scare you. Go away.
Oh,
See, it walks sideways, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I witnessed. Wait,
No.
there are
Don't
more
hold-
crabs. You saw 5.
Don't hold me from my back.
They
I
ran
can
away.
fall.
Let us be independent.
Hey, I saw. Hey, there's one more. It's chasing.
See how they go inside
They
the
fought.
sand. See. Okay. See. Two here. Two of them here. Oh, ये रहा तीसरा.
Oh yes.
They can.
This was the feeling I got a little while ago.
They were running towards you, right? They hate you. Go back.
Good footage, huh?
Choose